champs! Can you guess the national sport of each country? Let's see if you're a real sports genius.
Guess the national sports of China. It is table tennis. Guess the national sports of Afghanistan. It is buzkashi. Guess the national sports of Argentina. It is pato. Guess the national sports of Australia. It is cricket. Guess the national sports of Bangladesh. It is kabaddi. Guess the national sports of Brazil. It is capoeira. Guess the national sports of Canada. It is lacrosse and ice hockey. Guess the national sports of Colombia. It is tejo. Guess the national sports of Estonia. It is basketball. Guess the national sports of Gambia. It is wrestling. Guess the national sports of Iceland. It is handball. Guess the national sports of Japan. It is sumo wrestling. Guess the national sports of Malaysia. It is sepak takraw. Guess the national sports of Mexico. It is charreria. Guess the national sports of Nepal. It is volleyball. Guess the national sports of Norway. It is cross-country skiing. Guess the national sports of Pakistan. It is hockey. Guess the national sports of Philippines. It is arnis. Guess the national sports of Russia. It is bandy. Guess the national sports of South Africa. It is rugby union. Guess the national sports of South Korea. It is taekwondo. Guess the national sports of Tajikistan. It is Gushtangiri. Guess the national sports of Turkey. It is oil wrestling. Guess the national sports of Ukraine. It is football. Guess the national sports of America. It is baseball.
Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and keep quizzing with Quiz Llama.